Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video.
So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Snapchat. So if Snapchat is not sending you the verification code by SMS or email, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then request the code again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connections. After that, you need to make sure you entered the correct phone number or email address linked to your Snapchat account. Next, check if Snapchat needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store. Search for Snapchat and tap on update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Snapchat app. Press and hold the Snapchat app icon and then tap on remove app and then delete the app. And then you can reinstall the Snapchat app again from the App Store. The last thing you can do is restart your phone. You can do that by press and holding the power button and volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Snapchat's server. If their servers are down or under maintenance, verification codes may not be sent properly for some times. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on Snapchat. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.